You are welcome back to the class. In this class, we are going to learn about the basic HTML tag. HTML tags are the elements that we use to create our web page. Some of these tags are the paragraph tag, the heading tag, the table tag. There are many. So we are going to start with the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is a p tag. To write your tag in VS Code, just press the tag name, which is the paragraph tag is p. Then you click on tab on your keyboard, so it is going to write the open and the closing tag for you automatically. So then in between it, you write your tag. So my name is Evans. Developer, and a graphics designer. Then each time you create an element, you need to save for the changes to apply to your project. Now, to fill this in the browser, because we are going to use the browser to fill our page, I recommend you have Google Chrome installed on your system to have a good experience. So we come here. This is the live server we installed earlier. You come here and you go live. So it is open here. So you see, my name is Linux. I'm a web developer and graphic designer. Now let's make another change. On top of this, let's use our h1 tag. The h1 tag is an heading tag. So click on tab. Write it, welcome to this tutorial. Let's save that one too. Then we don't need to click any other thing here, as we save the changes we have been made. So you see, welcome to this tutorial. If you look at this and this, you see this is bolder, while this one is tiny. It is due to the tag we use. This is an heading tag. By default, it is going to be bold. This is a paragraph tag, just an ordinary text. So when the browser see your HTML elements, it will render it based on the HTML tag you use. So for an H1, it is going to be bold. Don't forget we have 6 HTML heading tag, H1 to H6. So let's have the other. Let's copy this. And paste 6 more times. Then let's change this to 2, H2, change then H3, H4, H5, then H6. Then let's save this and see the changes. You see, this is the biggest. The H1 is the biggest, followed by the H2 up to the H6. All these are heading tag. The 6 heading tag we have in a web page in an HTML. Now let's delete all these parts. Then see if we get the changes we have made. Now another type we are going to introduce to ourselves is the list tag. The list tag is to make a list. The list tag we have two type of list tag. They are we have OL, which is ordered list, ordered list, and we have this second one, UL, which is unordered list. Now these are the two lists that we have: OL, order list, and the UL, unordered list. How do we make use of this? So to use the order list, we have OL, then we place our tab, then inside it we are going to have our list item, and list item is LI. Then the first list, let's see, we have first have the paragraph tag here. You are going to learn the following in this training. Then our first list is HTML5. Then our second list, CSS and CMS. See this. Then let's go and check it in our browser. You see, that is an ordered list. Another list we have ordered items, which is 1, 2, 3. Though we can change the order to, you can go here and say type is, you can see it is now ABC. So if we save it and change it to ABC, you can come here and change the type to small I and see change what then we can change it to capital I and see that we also change the capital. Then we can also change it to small a, small alphabet. So these are the type of order list we have. The unordered list is just like this, UL. Then within it we are going to have our list item, LI, for tab. Then we have the first one, which is HTML, tab again, CSS, tab again, CSS, CMS, tab again, web hosting, okay, so we see here the another list have a black dot before it. That is the default list we have for another list. We can also change that one. The default here is 123 unless you change it. The default here is all this unless we change it. So let's go and change this one. See, type equals square. See, it has changed to square. And also change it to, you can see, circle. See, you see, it changed to circle. Then we can just say disk. So that is default. Even though if we do not write this, we use the disk. So this is disk. You see, this is much the same. So this is ordered list. This is an ordered list. So if this type is not specified here, it will use the 1, 2, 3 for each. If this type is not specified here too, it will be this by default. So we have the h1 tag, the heading tag, the paragraph tag, and the ordered list and the unordered list. So this is the first, some of the basic HTML tag we have in HTML in our HTML. So for the next class we are going to continue with some other basic HTML that we have. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to have our next, not to miss that from our next project. Thank you.